So I went through and I faced this. As you can see, it was went over 4 times. It's nice and smooth. You can't feel anything with your fingernail. But I ended up watching a video, I think it was this old Tony, and he was showing the extremes of when the head either had some tilt or nod to it. So I wanted to see if I saw anything, on this part. Let me show you what I found. And that's what I found. Apologize for the focus, but unfortunately it's hard to get any focus on that. So let me show you what else I looked at. This machine is clearly on as close to 0 as I could get it, and it's still showing some pretty serious whatever it's called, tilt or nod, I don't remember which. So I ended up buying a new tool for the shop. This thing here, it goes inside the machine. It's gonna help me try to get this trimmed better and get it set up a little more precise. Like you guys have been hearing me say, when I start making the real parts for that milling machine, I want to make sure that everything is accurate. So yeah, new tool for the shop. Figured I'd show you guys. Alright, catch you later.